BOUNCY from Beauty in the Boutique, and in this video I'm going to share with you some help on helping to fix your facial skin when it feels tight and uncomfortable. So you might describe it as feeling dry. So the first thing I want to help you determine is your skin dry or dehydrated? If your skin is dry, it's going to feel tight and it's going to feel uncomfortable after you've washed it. So you know that feeling, you've washed your face, you've let your skin settle for a little bit and it feels really tight and uncomfortable without putting any moisturiser on. Now you might have flaky parts, but when you touch your skin, you've not got any oil at all. And you'll probably find that throughout the day, you don't have any oily patches either, so your skin is dry. Now if your skin is dehydrated, after cleansing your face, it's going to feel tight and uncomfortable, but as it settles, it's going to have perhaps patches of oil. So you might find that it's combination. It might feel quite dry. You might even have scaly patches around certain areas of your face. Then other areas of your face might be oily. Or you might find overall that it has an oiliness to it, but it still feels really kind of quite uncomfortable and tight. That means it's dehydrated. So the difference between the two, dry has pretty much no oil coming through the skin, and dehydrated, it feels like dry skin, but it actually is producing oil. So I'm going to show you ways and products that can help bring your skin back to that normal balance. So for both dry and dehydrated skin, it's important to use a cleanser that is not stripping your skin of its natural oils. Now, if you have oily parts to your face, you might be thinking, oh, I want to get rid of that oil. Actually, oil is so important to our skin because it helps create a natural barrier and it helps keep the skin looking supple and youthful. So when you're shopping for a cleanser, be your skin be dry or dehydrated, then you're looking for a cleanser that has zero alcohol and no kind of menthol in it, no camphor in it. You're looking for really kind, soft ingredients. Now, one of the cleansers that I recommend for dry and dehydrated skins is this cleanser, Low Velocity Cleansing Ester by Neod. And this is really quite different because it feels like an oil when it goes onto your skin, and it feels really, really luxurious. And it's not just working to cleanse your skin, it's working to treat your skin at the same time. I also recommend in your cleansing routine that perhaps 2 to 3 times a week you exfoliate your skin. Now, because your skin is dry or dehydrated, you don't want to use anything too harsh. So I recommend investing in a little muslin cloth like this. You can get them pretty much anywhere. And what you're going to do is simply splash your face with warm water, wet the muslin cloth, and then you're just going to work the muslin cloth in little circular motions around the entirety of your face and your neck. And what this is going to do is encourage cell turnover and encourage all the new cells to the surface, get that blood circulation going, and really help to plump the skin and get rid of any dead skin that might be causing flakiness that perhaps your foundation is attaching itself to. So doing a little exfoliation with a muslin cloth 2 to 3 times a week is really going to help. Once you've finished cleansing, and you can do this next step, day and night, is you're going to apply 1 to 2 drops of jojoba oil to your face and 1 to 2 drops of jojoba oil to your neck. Now, it's really important that when you purchase your jojoba oil, you get it to be cold pressed and organic, and that means you're getting really top-notch, superior jojoba oil. So it means you're going to get all the goodness feeding your skin. This is like food for the skin, and when it comes to dry or dehydrated skin, your skin is just going to love this. If you want to find out about more of the one that I use, then you can click the link below. So how a jojoba oil works is it mimics your skin's own natural sebum. So if you're worried because you're scared of oils because you're thinking, oh gosh, it's going to make my skin more oily, no, it won't, because the oil, how this oil is made up is it mimics the skin's natural sebum. So it doesn't bring you out in spots. It merely nourishes the skin and it really hydrates the skin too. If you find that you have any redness or your skin feels quite sensitive, this is also going to help with skin sensitivity, and it's going to help take down redness. So perhaps if you have rosacea and you find that you've got dry and oily patches, this is really going to help soothe that kind of the redness of the rosacea and take down inflammation. This you can use all over your face, around your eyes as well. If you like a really matte look to your skin, then just apply this at night. And this works wonders for dry and dehydrated skin. The final step to your skincare routine is something called hydration vaccine, and this is by NIOD. This is a little pot of wonder. It is amazing. Now, so when you're really trying to fix dry or dehydrated skin, it's so tempting, isn't it, to get a really rich moisturiser and slather it across the face. Now, what that's doing is it's helping your skin feel better, but it's not really getting to work on the main cause of that dry or dehydrated skin. So what the NIOD hydration vaccine does is it works to create and mimic your skin's own natural barrier. And by creating this enhanced barrier to your skin, this locks in your skin's own moisture and its own hydration, and it helps the skin and encourages the skin to balance itself. So you're not masking the problem, you're helping to fix the problem of dry and dehydrated skin with this. And it feels quite balmy. And when it goes on the skin, you will not only feel a difference, it feels velvety, it feels luxurious, but you'll see a difference as well. So quite often with dry and dehydrated skin, fine lines and wrinkles will appear slightly more deeper because the skin is wanting moisture and it's wanting hydration. But this quickly plumps the skin and it makes the skin look smoother, but more so than this, it creates the most amazing base for your makeup. So if you want to read more about this product and everything it can do for your skin, then you can click the link below. So these are the products that I truly believe in for dry and dehydrated skin. I hope I've inspired you to try something new with your skincare. Perhaps you found out something new about dry or dehydrated skin. I hope these products can help you, and I shall see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!